This is the world's best little mousy toy. Look at this. As it pulls along, it can move. See that nice little tail wag? That looks really cool for a cat. As you'll see, it has a nose ring, and then you can see that it wiggles. So now the question is, who makes this? Because we need to get more of them. So where does this cat toy come from? I want to buy 10 of them. Let's try to get this out there. If anybody knows where the cat toy comes from, please contact me. You can reach me at acfcats@gmail.com. Thank you very much.